Good day guys, it's another video for a one-story building duplex. Here is the foundation, the very first foundation level. So here, after doing the filling and balancing of the soil, so we went ahead with the wood forming according to the plan at hand. So this is the wood forming, that's the footing, the combined footing. So this one is one board that is 1 foot, approximately 1 foot. 1 foot is 12 inches. So this is how the wood forming looks like. So after the wood forming, we'll go ahead to bend the rings for the footing. This is the rings for the footing. So, and after bending of the rings, then we'll go ahead and start tying everything in place. So this is how it looks like after tying the combined footing. So this is the starter pillar. The starter pillar is sitting on the combined footing. So looking at different views around, going around, checking around with different views. Here is how the outcome looks like. So from here, we'll be preparing for the casting. We have to cast the same place, so we have to cast it. So this is how it looks like. So there are different demarcations for different room and different rooms. Yes, so this is the back of the house. So looking into inside what the footing looks like. So this is just the beauty of the work, and these are other views from the picture on site. So after the combined footing, next we move ahead to the 3 board beams. That is, the reason for this is we are elevating the floor of the building higher than it was before. So, and the reason for elevating the floor of the building is to make sure that the building entirely is safe from both erosion, flood, and the rest. So these are the 3 board beams. We are going to board it, rather as we already boarding it, and cast it. So here in this area, this area is a swampy area, and so the water level is not far from the ground. So during the rainy season, the water level, underground water level, is around 3 to 4 feet from the surface of the ground, and during the dry season, the underground water level is around 10 to 12 feet deep, so from the surface of the soil. So here it is advisable we'll elevate the floor of the building. So having done that, after elevating the floor of the building, then we go to the compound flooring. We do the same, and the last one will now be the road, the main road. That's the compound. The main building floor will be higher than the compound floor, and the compound floor will be higher than that of the main road. So this is it. So after this, we are going to cast it, then pour some sand filling into it.
So that is after we must have casted it to remove the board, then we'll pour the sand filling. So this is how it looks like after casting. So we remove the board from here. So heading to the filling. So we filled the foundation. So after filling the foundation, we have to compact it. That is, we have to rammer it. So before the process of ramming, just have to pump in water into the foundation and compact the sand filling. So initially we should have left it for like 3 to 4 months or 6 months, but we can also do that with this method to make it quicker. So after this process, so this is the results. After compacting the soil, that's after ramming the sand filling in the foundation. So after this whole process, then the next thing is to arrange the hard cores. So we arrange the hard cores all around, so looking all around the building. So this is how it looks like after compaction. So now let's move to the next stage, that is the arrangement of hard cores. This is the hard core. We've arranged everything properly. So the next step is casting. We cast the slab, the flooring. So this is the end of the foundation level. We are looking towards the end of the foundation level. So this is how everything looks like. So after this part 1, we're heading to the next part, which is block setting. Thank you for watching.